Hey, it's much more than just a cooking competition. For years, the Taste of Hope event from the American Cancer Society has raised over $500,000 for research and other programs just in the past 2 years alone. And this year's event, it's coming soon. Yeah, Sean Kohlhaas has found his way back into our studios. He's found another chef to bring too. Chef Lee Timko of Terra. Good morning, guys. How are you?
Morning.
Oh, great. Thank you.
And there's tickets available too, I heard.
Yeah, we released a few more tickets. They're still out there and available.
I love that.
Yes.
Well, thanks for being here again and talking about this event. Why don't you tell everybody what the meaning is behind Taste of Hope?
Well, Taste of Hope is a chef competition, and we have amazing chefs that come out every year, donate their time and their wares and themselves to raise money for American Cancer Society. It's an amazing, fun event. You know, you get to attend this event, you know, and not only you're going out to have fun, but you're doing it for a good cause.
Yeah, and you're getting fed. Oh my goodness, anybody who's come to the Taste of Hope event has to be the premier foodie event.
Oh, yes.
It has to be.
Oh, yeah,
I mean,
absolutely.
all
Yes.
of the best chefs and so much food. That's your line, Chef. What do you bring into the show, and why did you get involved? Why did you decide Terra should be part of this?
So I've been with Terra for about 5 years now, and for the last 3 years I've done this event with them, with other chefs that have been there at Terra. So now it's my time to kind of do it, and I'm excited. It's for a great cause. Everything you put on together is fantastic, and then...
Well, we should be thanking you, though, because Sean just said you're the one donating all of your time for free, all of this, the materials, the time, the expertise, just to feed us. So thank you, Chef.
Yeah, we couldn't do it without them.
You really couldn't do it. You're really you're kind of a linchpin in this whole thing.
Yeah.
So talk about what's this dish? Is this going to be at the event?
So this is going to be at the event.
Okay.
Maybe not as extravagant as this, because we got a plate, 300 of them.
Yeah, right.
But this is kind of a charred peach nectarine. The peaches are from a local farm, Wells Orchard.
Oh, we're using peaches.
Yeah,
What's the overall dish going to be?
So it's going to be specked Barata peaches,
Okay.
a little basil oil, balsamic reduction, and then a mint salsa verde. So kind of like a salad, but a little fun take on it.
I
Right?
love this.
Yeah.
All right, whip it up. I mean,
Yeah.
chefs
So I'll
are
just kinda
known for
talk and go.
making these flavors go together that most quote-unquote normies
Yeah.
wouldn't even consider putting together. So peaches with speck, okay, probably wouldn't have crossed my mind, but I cannot wait to try it. I trust the chef. So the peaches are local.
Yep, peaches are local from around here,
All right.
Wells Orchard, and then the nectarines
You
as
grilled
well.
these? A
I
little
grilled
caramelization on these.
Grilled a couple off before I came, yeah.
Okay.
I didn't want to bring the whole...
Oh yeah, well, thank you. Yeah, fire in the studio. And then we have some fresh.
Yes.
So it's a combination of like texture and flavor there.
Yeah,
where you're
and
getting
at the Taste of Hope and at Terra right now, it'll kind of be hot and cold. So these will
Okay.
be hot, a little cold element.
Chefs are always talking about that, the contrast between the flavors and the textures and the temperatures.
It's the layer of flavors. You got the
Right?
sweet, the salty, you know, the fat. It's just it's the combination of all the different things that chef puts there to make it an amazing dish.
And Sean, while he's building this amazing salad, he's just one of how many chefs?
15.
15 different stations.
Yes, amazing chefs too.
I mean, you had a 5-course meal. How about a 15-course meal?
Oh yeah. And each chef brings 2 different items.
So how about a 30-course meal?
Yes, there's a lot of stuff to taste. I mean, most likely you're not going to be able to taste them all, but it is really important for everybody that attends to taste as much as they can, because at the end of the day, there's a People's Choice Award. So when everybody comes around and they taste all the food, you have one chip that you're going to give to one chef
you
to
only
give
get
them their
one
vote.
vote.
Just one vote per
that's
person.
Tough.
That is a tough. It's a very tough, but it is a tough but fun task to have.
I'm sure I'm up for the challenge.
I know you are. I've seen you a few times.
Yes, I love this event. All right, Chef, where are we at? What have we added to
So
this?
we added some Barata. I just kind of broke it up out of the normal ball shape that it's in.
Because
So-
most people, when they hear Barata,
Right.
they're thinking of that.
Yep. So this just kind of spreads it out over the dish a little bit.
Excellent. So you've done the work for us.
Yeah.
All right.
Delicious.
We got some radishes
Some
on
people
there.
might say stole the fun, but I don't mind having this stuff ready to eat. So this is going to be one. So this is one dish.
One of the dishes, yep.
Sean told me you were bringing 2. Do we have the other one lined up yet?
I mean, I know what it is, but we'll keep it as a little surprise for the event.
I'm always trying to see if I can get a sneak peek of the main dish, but I can't.
Take all the surprises out.
This feels like it needs a balsamic something.
Yep, so I have that coming up, but this is going to be a mint salsa verde that I provided the recipe for. You can make it at home.
So if somebody watching right now wants to make this mint sauce verde, they can go to our website and get that recipe.
Absolutely.
Love that. I actually grow mint in the backyard, so
Yeah,
I mean, who
me
knows?
too.
Maybe I can use the local. And then a balsamic finish, some oil, and you got some microgreens to make it all pretty. All right, Sean, give us the ticket info. You said that there were tickets available, and this is a hot ticket to get.
Oh, absolutely. We just passed our early bird special. So we do have a few tickets we just released that you can get right on the website for Taste of Hope Grand Rapids. You can also get a table. There are actually still, I think, 1 or 2 tables available. So if you want to get a table. Local businesses.
Get your stuff together.
Just want to get a bunch of friends.
That's just it. A lot of times this event, and thankfully so, has been sold out with great sponsors and a lot of people bringing that. But you've really made a concerted effort to get more of the general public the ability to get tickets to this event.
Yeah, and that was a big intentional thing this year. We really found over the past couple of years that we didn't have the opportunity to sell tickets to the general public because we sold out to sponsorships.
Great problem to have.
It is. But at the end of the day, we said we want to have space made for the general public, so we made sure we had 100 tickets that were just specifically for single ticket event people.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Thank you for that. All right, Chef, go ahead. We're going to give you your close-up, and you can tell us what are we looking at.
All right, we're looking at a peach and Barata salad with speck, which is a smoked prosciutto. We have some basil oil, balsamic reduction, some microgreens from Vertical Paradise Farm, radish, and serrano. And this will be at the Taste of Hope.
Courtesy of Terra and Chef Lee, thank you so much. I'll hit this spoon off camera. I got a feeling it's going to be a little messy.
Mine is a little bigger.
But it doesn't look, wow, what a spoon, Sean. You're ready to really take that on. Details on the screen for you now. You'll want to get to the Taste of Hope. As you heard, tickets are available, and boy, oh boy, is it for a good cause. Get to that website on your screens, or just go to fox17morningmix.com for more information, and we'll see you October 29th at Frederik Meijer Gardens.